Good morning, children. Did you enjoy your Sankrantri holidays? Okay. So, are you ready for today's class? Today, let us learn how to add and subtract expressions. There are two methods for doing this. The first method is COV method, that is C column or vertical method, and the second method is HR method, which is horizontal or row method. So to understand this, how to add and subtract, we are going to do it with an example. Let us take two expressions and try to understand the methods. So now 3x square plus 5x minus 4 and 2 plus x square is the other expression. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to arrange the expression according to the degree. So this is 3x square plus 5x minus 4 and constant, take it to the last and write according to the degree. X square plus 2. X square plus 2. So now let us use the C, that is column or vertical method. Column or vertical method. So for this, let us write the first expression. 3x square plus 5x minus 4 x square. So where x square is there you need to write x square, and where constant is there you have to write the constant. So these two you are going to add. So 3 plus 1 is 4x square plus 5x minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is how much? Minus 2. Minus 2. The next method which we are going to use is HR method or row or horizontal method. Row or horizontal method. Okay. So for this, when we are taking it as a row, first write the first expression. 3x square plus 5x minus 4 minus, open the bracket, addition we are doing, so write plus x square plus 2. X square plus 2. So now 3x square, same terms, same values you write together, like terms write together, plus 5x plus minus 4 plus 2, minus 4 plus 2. So 3 plus 1 is 4x square plus 5x plus and minus. The greater sign is minus, so write minus 4 minus 2 is 2. So 4x square plus 5x minus 2. Did you get the same answer? Yes. So whichever method you are using, when we are adding, the answer what we got is 4x square plus 5x minus 2. Now same two expressions we are going to subtract the terms. So let's write here 3x square plus 5x minus 4 minus x square plus 2. Subtraction we have to do. Whenever we are subtracting two expressions, always take the opposite sign of the term here. Now for x square it is plus x square. But when we subtract, this becomes minus. And here plus 2 is there. This when we subtract it becomes minus. So when you are using this, we are not going to see the original sign. We are going to see the sign which is opposite to that. 3x square minus x square is 2x square plus 5x, and this is minus of minus 2. Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. So when you subtract these two, you got the answer as this. Now let us use row or horizontal method to subtract. So 3x square plus 5x minus 4 minus of x square plus 2. So now let us write 3x square plus 5x minus 4 minus x square minus 2. So now write the like terms together. 3x square minus x square plus 5x plus minus 4 minus 2. So this is equal to 3x square minus 1x square is 2x square plus 5x minus 6 minus 6. Here also you can see that the answer is same, 2x square plus 5x minus 6. Understood these two methods? Okay. Now we are going to use these two methods to solve our exercise problems. Okay, let us do the first problem. Add the following algebraic expressions using both horizontal and vertical methods. Did you get the same answer with both methods? This is what you are going to check. The first bit in this is for homework. So let us do the second bit. 4a square plus 5b square plus 6ab. So first thing what we are going to do is arrange them according to the degree of the expression. So this is according to the expression. So all of them are in proper order. So the next step is we are going to use the vertical method. Vertical method. Vertical means what? Writing one below the other and solving. 4a square plus 5b square plus 6ab. Next expression is 3ab. Next one is 6a square minus 2b square. Next is 4b square minus 5ab. So 4 expressions are given for you. Now you have to solve. 4a square plus 6a square is how much? 10a square. Now 5b square plus 4b square is 9b square. 9 minus 2 is 7. So it is plus 7b square. Next, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4ab. 4ab. 10a square plus 7b square plus 4ab. In vertical method we got this as the answer. Now let us use the horizontal method. Horizontal method. Minus 2b square plus 4b square minus 5ab. So what did I do? I have added all the 4 expressions. Now let us write the like terms together. 4a square, then 6a square, next 5b square minus 2b square plus 4b square plus 6ab plus 3ab minus 5ab. So now 6 plus 4 is 10. 10a square plus 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 7b square plus 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4ab. So you got the same answer when you used horizontal method and vertical method. Understood this? Copy in your class workbooks, children. So now let us arrange all the expressions in the same order. So here we have 2x plus 9y minus 4z. But here y is there. So let's shift this. Bring x term here, y term next and z term to the last. Z. 2x minus 4y minus z. Now this is in a proper order. So let us use the column method. Column method. 2x plus 9y minus 4z. 3x plus 3y plus z. 2x minus 4y minus z. This you need to add. So now 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7x. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Now minus 4 plus z is minus 3z. Minus 3z minus z is minus 4z. Minus 4z. This is what you got when you use the column method. Now let us use the horizontal method. Horizontal method. 2x plus 9y minus 4z plus 3x plus 3y plus z plus 2x minus 4y minus z. So now next step, write all the like terms together. 2x, 3x, 2x. Next 9y, 3y minus 4y plus minus 4z plus z minus z. So this is equal to 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7x. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8y. Minus 4z plus z is minus 3z. Minus 3z minus z is minus 4z. Minus 4z. Understood this? Copy in your classwork books, children. Fourth bit is there. It is for homework. First bit and fourth bit are for homework. So the second problem is simplify 2x square plus 5x minus 1 plus 8x plus x square plus 7 minus 6x plus 3 minus 3x square. First copy the question, then let us write the like terms together. 2x square plus x square minus 3x square plus x terms 5x plus 8x minus 6x plus minus 1 plus 7 plus 3. Okay. So now 2x plus 2x square plus x square is 3x square. 3x square, 3 minus 3 is 0. So this x square term is 0. This is not there. Remove. Now 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 is how much? 7x. Now minus 1 plus 7 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So the answer what you got is 7x plus 9. Understood this? Yes or no? Or if you want, you can expand this. This is 3x square minus 3x square. This is 13x minus 6x plus 6 plus 3. So this is equal to 0x square plus 7x plus 9. X square term is not there, so you can write it as 7x plus 9. This is the simplified form of this. Understood this? Now let us do the third problem. Find the perimeter of the following rectangles. This is a rectangle given and you have to find out the perimeter. What is the formula? Perimeter is equal to perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. According to the question, you know that length is 6x plus y and breadth is 3x minus 2y. 3x minus 2y. So now let us substitute. 2 into L is 6x plus y. B is 3x minus 2y. So now 2 into 6, 6x plus 3x plus y minus 2y. So 6 plus 3 is 9, 9x plus y minus 2y is minus y. 2 nines are 18x, 2 ones are 2. So it is 18x minus, into 2 we are doing, so it is 2y. 18x minus 2y. Understood this? Copy in your class workbooks, children. Now let us do the fourth problem. Find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are 2a plus 3b, b minus a, 4a minus 2b. So how to find out the perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but the sum of the sides of the boundaries. So sides 2a plus 3b plus b minus a. So write b minus a. So here it is minus a. Then 4a minus 2b. 4a minus 2b. All this we are adding. So we are using which method? Column method is being used. So 3b plus b is 4b. 4b minus 2b is plus 2b. 2a minus a is a plus 4a is 5a. So the answer is 5a plus 2b. Understood this? Okay, let us do the fifth one. Subtract the second expression from the first expression. So two expressions are given. We are going to use the column method. So let's write 2a plus b, a minus b. What are we doing here? Subtraction we have to do. So whatever is the sign of the second expression, it is going to be changed. So plus a becomes minus a, minus b becomes plus b. So 2a minus a is a and b plus b is 2b. Okay. So here you got the answer as a plus 2b. a plus 2b. Now let us use the column method and subtract these two. X plus 2y plus z minus x minus y minus 3z. Here minus is there, so we need to add. Minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. So x plus x is 2x, 2y plus y is 3y, z plus 3z is 4z. So the answer you got it is 2x plus 3y plus 4z. Understood this? Copy in your class workbooks, children. Okay. Now let us do the third bit. 3a square minus 8ab minus 2b square. 3a square minus 4ab plus 6b square. Now plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So 3a square minus 3a square is cancelled or it becomes 0. Now minus 8ab plus 4ab is minus 4ab, because the greater number is having minus sign, we will write minus. Minus 2b square minus 6b square is minus 8b square. Minus 8b square. So you got the answer as minus 4ab minus 8b square minus 8b square.